So welcome to St John's Church Garden here in Castleside, where we've just turned on our village lights. This annual event, of course, would normally involve the Castleside Primary School concert brass, as well as a large gathering of residents and spectators. But sadly, due to the current restrictions, we are unable to do that, and instead this event is completely virtual. We remain in the midst of the worldwide COVID-19 pandemic, and for this reason alone, if nothing else, 2020 will never be forgotten. Many aspects of our daily lives have been totally changed. Many people have shielded to protect themselves, and in doing so have become lonely and isolated. Hundreds of thousands have suffered with the virus, and sadly tens of thousands have died in the UK alone. And my thoughts lie particularly with those families who this year have lost their loved ones and whose presence this Christmas will be sorely missed. Undoubtedly, this Christmas and the way we express the celebration will be very different from any Christmas we have ever experienced before. Despite the current circumstances, we recognise the coming of a baby born in Bethlehem's manger, the birth of Jesus Christ, whose life journey took him from cradle to cross, and whose teaching and example are an inspiration to those who follow him. So on behalf of Healeyfield Parish Council, I wish you all a very happy Christmas and best wishes for 2020. Thank you.
Hello from my House of Commons office. It's Richard Holden MP here for North West Durham. So you can see the maps on the wall, postcodes and all that sort of thing, and a few bits and pieces. I'm really really, really sorry to be missing out on switching on the lights at Healeyfield this year. I had such a wonderful time at the Remembrance service. It was very, very moving and great to see all parts of the community invited there. And representatives taking part, but it just wasn't that service that we wanted to see. And this Christmas isn't going to be the Christmas that we're all used to either. So hopefully you'll be able to see some friends and family over Christmas this year. Announcement on that in the next few days. But I just wanted to wish everybody the very best for Christmas and a really happy New Year across Healeyfield and Castleside. It's going to be a tough one. But I think you can see some light at the end of the tunnel now.